want to show you the 1.8 liter Hyundai engine that has that slight knock that most people miss when they go and buy these cars.